There was that real life transition. So today is December the 1st. It is. And we are doing a vlog. I've missed doing it. Figured I'm going to do it now because I was going to do it at the weekend, go out for a ride, but it's just too cold and too busy. So this is going to be a sort of year review. Trying to be anyway. I'm going to try and do a sort of year review, cram it into bed, see how it goes. This year for the channel has been very good, to say the least. I mean, I think in January I had a very good month. I got like 1,000 minutes watched. Yeah, I know it's not a lot to some, but for a channel that's still small and growing, that is quite a lot. You know, and the rest of the year I've been trying to capture that magic. I don't think I've actually got over 1,000 minutes watched a month. Came close, but that's the fun of it all, is trying to get the content out there, to get the views in and the time in and all that. You know, that's the beauty of it. Huge growth in subs and views, and just everything has been a green arrow pointing up. Great. Fucking hell, it's roundabout. It's been a great year. Excuse me, I'm kind of losing my voice. I was singing a lot on the way home yesterday. Yeah, you're gonna get a lot of foggy vibes at this time of year. Hot inside the helmet, especially if you look like me. Cold on the outside of the helmet, obviously because it's winter. See, yeah, that big-headed comment I just made. Fuck, I'm sexy. I'm only joking. I'm just average. If Ryan Gosling was called average, then yes, I would be average. So, what made this year great was all the fans, if you want to call them fans of the channel, the supporters, the comrades. You guys listen to me talk shit for what, 30 episodes of the year so far? And it's all because of you, so a big thank you to you for supporting me. It's what we like, it's what we like, you know. And next year is going to be even better. Even better. So the Christmas plans are already sorted. We are going to my parents' house. Going to be good. Going to be great. First Christmas with the parents in a long time. She's about alright, isn't she? It's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we're letting light and we banish hate. But in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world at Christmas time. A prayer for the other ones at Christmas time. All the clanging chimes of old. Well, tonight, thank God it's... See, I'm not a very good singer. Idiota! It was Italian for... Well, it weren't. Yeah, it was Italian. Idiota! Italian for you're a fucking idiot, mate. Get off the fucking road! And that was Cockney. Cockney or Cockney. However you want to pronounce it. Either way, you're a southerner and you're a softy. Only joking! But you're not as hard as us northerners. That's right, Zandman. You're not as hard as us. You might be able to speak correctly, but you're not as hard. So yeah, the name change, I changed it from Hannibal Rides to the Northwest Ninja. Because, well, you know, what was that sound that I just made? Because Northwest, like Northwest bikers, motorcycles and all that, is commonly a search thing, as you can, you know, often find out that information. And it is, and Ninja is also the other one. So I just put two and two together. I'm in the Northwest and I ride a Ninja. Banging. Hannibal Rides, don't get me wrong, was a massive improvement, but I think when I start tagging myself as the Northwest Ninja, that should massively improve my overall rating on everything. I should start to see some growth. Alright, well, I'm probably going to love you and leave you guys. I'm going to do some shopping. I'll catch you... Oh, I'll probably catch you in a couple of weeks. Well, not a couple of weeks, in like 2 weeks. Maybe 2 weeks. Probably about 2 weeks. It'll be next week actually. Next week. About a week and a half away. We'll settle for a week and a half, how's that? To compromise at its finest.